Good afternoon, everyone. We are glad to welcome you at our webinar, Power BI Design, Wrapping Your Data in Reports That Shine. My name is Natalia Kanivets. I will be the host of the event today. Let me specify some organizational points, and we will start. All participants are in mute mode. We welcome you to ask questions. Please use for this the chat or questions mode, and our speaker will be happy to answer the questions at the end of her speech. The webinar is being recorded, and we will share both the recording and the presentation materials most likely during this week. If you have any additional questions after the event, write to our email, and we will definitely redirect questions to our speakers and the experts and answer you. I would like to tell briefly about the Infopulse, and we will start. Founded in 1991, our company celebrates 30 years of our business represented both in Ukraine and around the world. Infopulse has over 2,000 specialists in its team. The company clients include SMBs and enterprise clients, startups, and representatives of Fortune list all over the world. Infopulse is included in the rating of the top 100 best outsourcing companies in the world, according to the IOP. Also, we are certified as Microsoft partner with the gold status in many categories. Infopulse was awarded the Microsoft Country Partner of the Year in 2018. It was the result of many years of cooperation and successful projects between Infopulse and Microsoft. Also, the company is certified for compliance with international standards. The compliance with these standards is checked annually by independent audits. Infopulse is recognized as Microsoft Azure Expert Managed Service Provider in 2021. MSP recognition marks an essential milestone in Infopulse's 17-year collaboration with Microsoft, and that is the main indicator of high-level competence among other Microsoft partners. Also, Infopulse is a certified partner of SAP, Amazon, Cisco, Citrix, IBM, OpenText, Intercom, and Episerver. We implement advanced solutions based on innovative platforms of our technological partners, but Microsoft is one of our core partners. Infopulse is represented in 7 countries across Europe and North America, and we can continue to open new delivery centers continually. Infopulse is part of the largest Scandinavian IT group Tietoevry, a leading digital services and software company with local proximity and global capabilities, a workforce of 24,000 professionals and annual turnover of approximately 3 billion euros. Tietoevry delivers digital advantage for its 10,000 corporate clients across 90 countries. The primary focus areas of our company are software engineering and testing, enterprise application management, system integration, IT infrastructure and cloud services, business analytics, IT consulting, and cybersecurity. We provide solutions for the telecommunication industry, banking and finance, retail and e-commerce, energy and utilities, manufacturing, agriculture, healthcare, and more. I would like to pass the word to our speaker, Maria Kalachova, BI and Data Management Software Engineer at Infopulse. Mara, I will give you the presenter's right, and please start.
So, hi everyone, my name is Maria, and let's talk today about Power BI redesign and why do we think that it's really good idea to have such possibility in your company. What is Power BI design? Power BI design is the service of adapting Power BI reports due to your needs. What does it mean? This functional can make your data, your reporting more readable for your employees, clients, and customers. because every day, all of us, we see a lot of reports with almost the same problems. They can be chaotic, too bright, too much precision with numbers, or just incomprehensible. But all these issues we really can solve with redesign, because based on your brand book and using the best practice, we'll create uh, efficient report templates for your company. Why companies may need Power BI design? So as you know, nowadays companies are trying to have all the reporting in one BI system, and if you are using Microsoft technologies, Power BI is ideal for this, because as you know, nowadays Power BI is #1 product on the market. If you have standardized reporting, then your users of this reporting, they won't waste time to understand shapes, colors, I don't know, charts, and they will work immediately with meanings, but not solving, not wasting their time to understand what you wanted to deliver to them. Power BI design benefits. Here is a list of some benefits that the service gives to you. Present your data with a style. As I said, according to your brand book, we can create great templates, and all your information, all your data, reports, presentations will be in the same style. It's really useful and good looking for company to have such possibility. So I said that all visualization in one unique your style according to your brand book. Also ready-made templates for different type of charts. I'll provide you later with an example. A convenient and fast optimization for your existing report, and you could easily rebuild your current report due to new style. And also with this report templates, you'll get detailed guideline with all the issues that necessary for visualization and for the future development. So what we do, there are two phases of work. It's a design concept and Power BI design implementation. On the concept phase, we get acquainted with your brand book, your needs, your ideas, identifying structure of the reporting that you need, and internal logic of your data. After the first phase, we'll give you very detailed document with the guidelines how to create your reports, and it's really good recommendations, and it's easy to work with them later. So development phase, we creating a set of templates and redesign one of your current reports to this new style with guidelines. So after all our work, we have a great detailed document, one template with your unique style, company style, and one reworked report. Also, I want to provide you with one example that we made. So what have been done for one of the biggest company in Ukraine? It's agro company. We prepared detailed guideline, created set of templates for different visualization, and altered existing report. Before a design, they had something like that. As you see, it's not very nice and readable. It's just like something from the past. And after our work with them, it's really nicer and more useful. So we'll start with guideline. It's prepared guideline for that company. And what we have here, what is this guideline? It's a very detailed document about everything that you should know and you should do due to development your report. There is information about structure, what should be for the first, what you should do next. Information about number of slides, how many slides. It's a great idea to have in the report, not to lose attention of your customers. It's detailed information about structure slide, what should be on the first slides, what should be the main points on your slides, where should be filters, title, etc. There is a lot of information about data position, about hierarchy, about amount of information on each page. So everything, all this information we provide you after investigating your current reports and your needs. Also, here's a lot of information about colors that you should use due to your guideline with colors with numbers. What is the best solution for each charts? Everything you can find in this document. And there is some examples how you should to choose right place for data on a page. It depends on which chart you want to use here, where should be the accents, and etc. So there is information about type of charts, about fonts, about fonts for different cases. Also, such detailed information as size of them. So, and not only our best practice and worst examples that you shouldn't do in any case, because it's not readable, it's not comfortable. It's an example for one client, but for your companies, there will be, I think, total different information here. So it's little tips how you should visualize your data. And yeah, there is a lot of information and examples of tables, of chart, what is the best for your information. So we provide a very detailed guideline with all possibility visualization, charts, bars, tables that can be done in your report. So also we provide it's our recommendations for development. What is good and comfortable for your customers? As an example, it's really useful to have one place for logo, for filter panel, and your customers shouldn't look through all the page looking for, I don't know, maybe some filters that they used to use every day, and everything on the same place, everything's clear, and it's really great to have something like that. So, and I want to show you template that was created. You saw these pictures in a guideline, but now how it works. What is great in these templates? Because okay, we provide you with template, but you want to change something, you want to create your own report, and everything that you should do, just change. I want to have another visualization. Oh, sorry. I want to change it, but the same situation. I have that colors from my brand book, and it's not a problem to change. Everything will be the same. I don't have to change fonts, numbers, colors. I'm just creating what I want. I'm choosing what is the best for me for that case, and I think that it's very useful. The same situation when we want to show more than one chart. So it's not one main chart. We want to show more information on one page. The same. it's an example. So there is a place for logo, there is slide name and filters in the same zone on every page. So it's really easy to change it and to work with it. So as you see, we have different examples here, and we can change it without losing the data. Oh, it's a really bad example for this chart. So we can play like that for a long time. And sorry, and the last page, here we have positions when we have a lot of data. And it's about accents, about cards. Also on the cards, we can have different data. It could be text, could be number, percents, everything. And it's really easy to change them. Sorry. So let's return to our presentation. Infopulse, as you know, Infopulse, it's a Microsoft partner, and we can provide you with the services that you see. It's really, we have very big experience with BI services and with Power BI too. So we can help you with consulting. We can provide you how to switch one BI system to Power BI. It could be from Click, from Tableau. And it's not a problem for us to solve security problems, to set up row level security, because we understand that what is the main point of the data today? It's security and performance. So we have a lot of experience with all these issues, and also will help you to create great data model, because all your visualization, all your reports, the main thing, it's data model. So our we can help you with data architecture and performance planning. So I told you about migration from different from other systems. We know how to connect Power BI to, I don't know, to a lot of services. I think that almost all services that now can be as a source for data. So, and I hope that this information was helpful for you and will help you in the future. If you have some questions, I would like to answer for them, or you can text it later for us. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much, Maria. We have a few questions, if you could answer it. And the first one is how long it could take to create a template for the company.
So it depends on the data that you have, on the data source. Oh, sorry, it's only about the plates. We should investigate your brand book. What do you need? And after that, we can start to create. I think it's about 2 weeks, but also it depends on what do you need and how many colors, informations you want to have on your reports.
Okay, thank you. And the second one, is there any limit for creating reports?
No, it's just template like in PowerPoint. You can implement it into Power BI desktop in our case, and work and create I don't know, infinity number of reports, because it's not a problem to create something when you have a ready template.
We have one more question. Why Power BI is better than Quick Click Sense or Tableau?
We can compare it in a different way. Why for me it's better because it's really easy um, to connect Power BI with other different source. For me, it's nicer. I know that it's strange answer, but it's nicer and it's easier to develop in Power BI. Now we have a lot of comparison of these products, and everyone can find what he needs in this comparison. Now we are looking at Power BI, and I think it's clear why Power BI is better, because we see it how companies use Microsoft technologies. So it's easy to connect. It's a great solution. I think it's the answer.
Thank you. And the last one for now, is it difficult to use the developed template? Does it requires any other effort?
Um, no, I showed you how easy to change everything on the page where you have template. You just making what you want, and you have prepared uh, prepared style, so you don't waste your time on visualization. You already have right colors, right numbers, right size, so it's really very easy to work with it.
Okay, great. Thank you, Maria. That's our all questions for now. If you have any additional questions, please write to our email, and Maria or our experts will answer you. And as I said before, the webinar was recorded. We will send you recording and presentation material during this week. Thank you for attending. If you want to get any consultancy or try Power BI, also please write to us and we will help you happily. Have a great day. Thank you for being with us. Goodbye.
Bye.